In this video, I'm going to talk about how to see watch history in Facebook and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to load up your profile and make sure that you have selected your profile here. And this is my profile. And from here, you have to tap at the bottom. And from here, you have to scroll it down over here. And the first and foremost step is all about make sure that you selected your profile here. If you're having any business account, make sure that you have to select your profile first or switch to your profile first and go to the profile over here at the bottom. Now from here, once you get into this, we have to go over here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to your profile. And from here, what you need to do is we have to go over here and navigate to the settings. And from here, the settings and privacy, you need to go to the settings here. Once you get into the settings, what you need to do is the first and foremost step is all about we have to scroll it down over here and we need to navigate to the activity log. Tap on activity log. From here, go to your Facebook activity. From here, you have to select the post and click on the drop down menu. And from here, you have to click on see more. And now, as you can see, if you scroll it down, there is an option called videos you have watched. You have to select this. And from here, you will be able to understand. So these are some of the videos that you recently watched. So what you need to do is if you wanted to find, you'll be able to find from here. And also make sure one more thing. If you wanted to delete this particular watch history, there are two ways you can delete individually. You have to click on the three dot menu. And from here, you can just remove it. Or you can go for clear watch history from here as well. That is also possible. So this is how we can find it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.